Now, what is the Kit and how does it fall under the Residence umbrella?
Oh, Kit, so Kit is a great brand. This is Daniel Vosovic. Daniel was on Project Runway and super talented, had that following that we talked about. He still gets emails from Ukraine and his fans all over the world who say, you should have won that last show. And so, Daniel is one of the brands in which we invested. And Daniel is on the platform, and the Kit is his concept. Merchandising products together that go with any one of the pieces that he creates will go with any one of the other pieces that he creates. And that's this notion of a kit. So the date kit, the wedding kit, the dinner kit, the work kit. We think it's cool, but more importantly, a lot of his followers thinks it's a great product. So he has lots of customers, and those customers are buying his product that he creates on the platform.
So with your platform, there's no such thing as the seasons anymore. The fall season, the winter season, as far as fashion, yours is kind of on-demand fashion.
You know what? The seasons are broken. I mean, the seasons are a convention of the manufacturing cycle, and then it was adopted by the retail cycle. And it took so long to make things that let's just chop the year into 4 parts, 2 main parts, and then it was 4 parts, and then how do we accelerate it to, some subparts? Those became seasons. That's a convention of an old, broken system. Right now, from what I can see, designers create when they create, and it's continuous. And if they want to express themselves on a Monday at 12 o'clock because of a new tweet that went out, and they want to respond with a product that they want to get out to the marketplace, let them, because that's the calendar of creation. That should be the calendar of commerce that follows creation. And so we don't believe in the fashion calendar at all. It's sort of like, you know what, don't send out Christmas cards, send out Valentine's cards, because Christmas is so crowded with cards, and how many Valentine cards do you get? So pick a holiday, pick another reason. You have 365 days. Choose one of those days to celebrate fashion and commerce, and forget the seasons because it's an old, broken vestige of before.